Hi, I'm Kathy and I'm going to show you how to make edible slime. It's really quite easy. For ingredients, you'll need a half a cup of cornstarch, 3-ounce package of Jell-o. It can be regular or sugar-free. I was told that maybe sugar-free wouldn't be as sticky, but I haven't really found it to be too sticky. And 2 tablespoons of water. So I've got this pre-measured here. Got my cornstarch, my Jell-o, and my water. This is some that I made previously. I put some wax paper down on the table. So I'm going to put the cornstarch in, the Jell-o. I'm going to add my water and stir this. Helps to have something, a whisk, like it stirs it up a lot faster than a spoon. I did this with a spoon earlier and it took several minutes. So, see, isn't this nice that I used orange slime? Kind of like a Halloween thing. So give us some ideas of things to make that are orange. So there. Now I've made orange slime. I'm going to put this on my wax paper. You don't need to put it all on there at once. And see how it's spreading? It was in a ball and it's just spreading out. But like I said, some of the things that you can do with this maybe would be to make a jack-o'-lantern, huh? Let's try that. I'm gonna try cutting some features into this. Maybe I'll put this stem that's on the top. Cut some eyes into here. And I can tell you that slime spreads out, flattens out, so you can carve into this, and it's filling in as I'm carving. So here, I made a jack-o'-lantern. And it would be fun to see what you make too. So maybe you can share that with me. That's all we need then is half a cup of cornstarch, a 3-ounce package of Jell-o, and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir it together and you've got slime. And this, they call it edible slime, but we don't suggest eating it when you first make it. Of course, it's clean and sanitary. You can taste it if you like, but I don't think you'd want to eat it. And you can store it in a Ziplock bag. So, like here's one I did before. So I'll put this in a Ziplock bag. And so the next time that you bring it out to play with it, I don't know if you'd want to eat it, if you've been playing with it with your hands or something. But enjoy all these fun things that you can do with slime. Bye.